Z sound. Vocabulary: the, there, together, with, feather, leather, is, another, rather, whether, other. Conversation: I like to buy that jacket in the window. Well, there are 3 jackets together in the window. Do you want the one with the feather collar? No. The other one? The little one? The one with the zipper? No, not that one either. That one over there. The one that's one sale. Oh, that one. No. Here's another leather jacket. That a thing you like. But this one is more expensive than the one in the window. It's a better jacket than the other one. The leather is smoother. I'd rather get one in the window too. I think that one is better for cold weather. Well, fine. If that's the one you want, but we don't check anything out of the window until 3 o'clock on Thursday. Exercise. This is my friend. This is a chapel. This is a boy. This is a girl. This is a cat. Thanks for watching.